In this video, we listed the 5 best quiet 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v2. The Creality Ender 3v2 is a high-quality 3D printer designed with advanced features for an enhanced user experience. Constructed from durable aluminum, the printer has compact dimensions of 17.32 inches by 17.32 inches by 18.31 inches and weighs 15.43 pounds, making it compatible with laptops and personal computers. It features a self-developed silent motherboard that ensures low decibel operation, stronger anti-interference, and stable motion performance for quieter and smoother printing. The UL-certified branded power supply is safely concealed within the machine, offering fast heating and reliable long-term operation. The Ender 3v2 also includes user-friendly upgrades like a rotary knob on the extruder for effortless filament loading and a 4.3-inch smart color screen with a new UI system for improved usability. Additionally, it offers a resume printing function to continue prints after power outages, reducing waste and saving time. The carborundum glass platform ensures faster heating, better adhesion, and ultra-smooth prints, even on the first layer, making it an excellent choice for reliable and efficient 3D printing. Number 2. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for both beginners and experienced users. Constructed from durable polycarbonate, it features a quick-change nozzle system that allows for easy replacement in seconds without the need for tools. The printer is equipped with a heated, flexible, and removable build plate, making it simple to remove models and start new projects quickly. It also supports auto-leveling, ensuring precise prints right out of the box, with adjustments easily made via the touchscreen interface. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux, the Voxel includes an auto-feeding filament system with a built-in sensor to detect low filament levels, pausing prints until reloaded. With dimensions of 15.9-inch dx 15.7, wx 15h and weighing 12.92 kilograms, this gray-black 3D printer is compact yet robust. Additional resources such as software and manuals can be downloaded from the Monoprice website by searching for Voxel or using part number 33820. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2. The 3D printer features dual extruders with a 0.4 mm diameter, capable of reaching a maximum extruder temperature of 240 degrees Celsius and a platform temperature of 120 degrees Celsius. It supports a variety of filaments including PLA, ABS, PVA, and PETG, with a print speed ranging from 10 to 100 mm per second. The printer offers a print volume of 200 by 148 by 150 mm, or 80 by 148 by 150 mm in mirror mode, and a layer resolution between 0.1 and 0.4 mm, with a print resolution of $/PM $0.2 mm. The device measures 526*360*403, 550 mm, includes a 3.5-inch touch screen, and weighs 14.8 kilograms, net, or 21 kilograms, gross. It operates on 100 to 240 VAC, 47 to 63 Hz input, with an output of 24 V, 13.3 A, and consumes 320 W of power, utilizing FlashPrint software. Number 4. FlashForge 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M is a versatile and advanced 3D printer designed for efficiency, precision, and ease of use. It supports a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PLACF, and PETGCF, with an enclosed enclosure required for PC and ASA. Featuring one-click automatic printing with impeccable bed leveling, it ensures consistent adhesion and flawless first layers without manual adjustments. The printer boasts 12x ultra-fast printing with a Core XY structure, a travel speed of 600 mm per second, and 20,000 mm s² acceleration, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production. Its smart design includes rapid nozzle changes in 3 seconds, a high-flow nozzle for stable high-speed printing, dual-sided PEI platforms for easy print removal, and multiple platform options. With dual-fan nozzles, vibration compensation, various nozzle sizes, 0.25 to 0.8 mm, and a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, it delivers superior print quality and adaptability for intricate details or quick prototypes. Additionally, the FlashMaker mobile app enables real-time monitoring, parameter adjustments, and message alerts for seamless operation and uninterrupted printing. Compact and efficient, the Adventura 5M is a smart choice for creative projects. Number 5. Dremel 3D 45-01 3D Printer. The Dremel Digilab 3D 45 Idea Builder is a high-quality 3D printer designed for advanced materials like ECO ABS, nylon, PETG, and PLA, making it ideal for university, engineering, and educational use. Equipped with an all-metal 0.4 mm nozzle that heats up to 280 degrees Celsius and a removable glass build plate heating up to 100 degrees Celsius, it supports nearly all 1.75 mm filaments with ease. The printer features a user-friendly setup process, a 5-inch full-color touchscreen, and the ability to pause prints for multicolor projects. Its built-in RFID reader automatically selects optimal settings for Dremel filaments, while Wi-Fi connectivity and remote printing software allow users to monitor and control prints via an HD camera. The fully enclosed design ensures quiet operation, reduces warping, and enhances safety. With a large 6 inches by 10 inches by 6.7 inches build volume, 50 micron layer height precision, and compatibility with popular slicing software like Cura and Simplify 3D, it offers flexibility and advanced customization options. Backed by Dremel's 85 years of reliable quality, lifetime customer service, and a 1-year warranty, the 3D45 is a dependable choice for professionals and educators alike.